विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आधीच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये तुम्ही इंटेरियर अँगल थेरम, करस्पॉन्डिंग अँगल थेरम, अल्टरनेट अँगल थेरम पाहिला. म्हणजेच काय, इफ टू लाईन्स आर पॅरलल देन अ पेअर ऑफ इंटेरियर अँगल्स इज सप्लिमेंटरी, अ पेअर ऑफ करस्पॉन्डिंग अँगल इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट अँड अ पेअर ऑफ अल्टरनेट अँगल इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट. आता आपण पाहतोय टेस्ट पाहणार आहोत. टेस्ट फॉर पॅरलल लाईन्स, इंटेरियर अँगल टेस्ट, अल्टरनेट अँगल टेस्ट अँड करस्पॉन्डिंग अँगल टेस्ट. इथे इंटेरियर अँगल टेस्ट ही प्रथम आपण प्रूव्ह करणार आणि त्याचा वापर करून आपण अल्टरनेट अँगल टेस्ट आणि करस्पॉन्डिंग अँगल टेस्ट प्रूव्ह करणार आहोत. इथे दोन लाईन्स हे पॅरलल आहेत की नाही हे प्रत्यक्ष न बघता आपण ह्या टेस्टचा वापर करून ते प्रूव्ह करणार आहोत. प्रथम आहे इंटेरियर अँगल टेस्ट. If the interior angles formed by a transversal of two distinct lines are supplementary, then the given two lines are parallel. म्हणजेच काय तर इंटेरियर अँगल्स म्हणजेच इथे अँगल BPQ आणि अँगल PQD ह्यांची सम जर 180 डिग्री असेल तर गिवन टू लाईन्स, लाईन AB अँड लाईन CD आर पॅरलल टू इच अदर. हे आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करून दाखवायचं आहे. त्यावरून आपण गिवन लिहिलं की लाईन XY इज अ ट्रान्सव्हर्सल ऑफ लाईन AB and line CD intersecting at point P and Q, where line AB and line CD are distinct lines. And also angle BPQ plus angle PQD is equal to 180 degree. That means interior pair angle is supplementary. To prove that line AB is parallel to line CD. Now here we prove this theorem by using indirect proof. That means इथे proof मध्ये जे दिलेलं आहे त्याचं बरोबर अपोजिट सेंटेन्स आपण घेणार आहोत. म्हणजेच काय, line AB is not parallel to line CD. Assume that line AB is not parallel to line CD. Then both these lines are intersecting at point T. This is the point T. Therefore, triangle TPQ is formed. Now we know that the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, angle TPQ plus angle PQT plus angle PTQ is equal to 180 degree. Sum of all angles of the triangle. But angle TPQ plus angle PQT, here angle BPQ plus angle PQD is equal to 180 given. But T dash B dash P and Q dash D dash T, therefore angle TPQ plus angle PQD is equal to 180 degree. Hence the third angle, now these two angles sum is 180 degree. Therefore third angle, measure angle PTQ is equal to 0 degree. That is, line PT and line QT are not distinct lines. Now since this angle is 0, therefore line TQ is not distinct from line PT. They are same. That is, line AB and line CD are not distinct lines. They are same. But this is the contradiction to the given. That is, line AB and line CD are distinct lines. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. That is, line AB is not parallel to line CD is wrong. Therefore, line AB is parallel to line CD. आता आपण इंटेरियर अँगल टेस्ट प्रूव्ह केली. म्हणजेच if a transversal of two lines is given and a pair of interior angle is supplementary, then given two lines are parallel. Second test आपण पाहणार आहोत, alternate angle test. If a pair of alternate angles formed by a transversal of two given lines is congruent, then the given two lines are parallel. Now here line L and line M are given. Line N is the transversal. And also angle A congruent angle B. this is a pair of alternate angles. To prove that line L is parallel to line M. Now we already proved interior angle test. Take angle C, which is linear pair to angle A. Angle C is linear pair to angle A. Therefore, angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Linear pair angles. Replace A by B because angle A congruent angle B. Therefore, angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. But angle B and angle C, these form a interior pair angles. And this interior pair angles is supplementary. Sum is 180 degree. Therefore, by interior angle test, line L is parallel to line M. Now proof is given in your textbook. Third test is corresponding angle test. Now if line N is the transversal of line L and line M and angle A congruent angle B, that is pair of corresponding angles is congruent, then the given two lines are parallel. Now to prove this, take angle C, which is linear pair to angle A. Now angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree because forming a linear pair. And replace angle A by angle B because both angles are congruent. Therefore angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. But this is a pair of interior angles and interior angles are supplementary, sum is 180 degree. Therefore the given two lines are parallel by interior angle test. Now there are two corollaries given. Corollary 1, if a line is perpendicular to two lines, then the two lines are parallel to each other. Now here line N is perpendicular to line L and also line N is perpendicular to line M. Means line N is perpendicular to both the lines, line L and line M. To prove that line L is parallel to line M. Now this angle is 90 degree as line N perpendicular to line L. And this is also 90 degree because line N perpendicular to line M. Therefore angle A congruent angle B. But this is a pair of corresponding angles. Therefore by corresponding angle test, line L is parallel to line M. Now corollary 2, if two lines in a plane are parallel to third line, then those two lines are parallel to each other. Now here line L is parallel to line N and also line M parallel to line N. Now these two lines are parallel to the third line N. To prove that line L is parallel to line M, here we draw a transversal of three lines. Suppose P is the transversal. Now here line L is parallel to line N given. Therefore angle A congruent angle B by corresponding angle theorem. Also line N is parallel to line M, that is M and N are parallel. Therefore angle A congruent angle C. Now angle A congruent angle B and angle A congruent angle C. Therefore angle B congruent angle C. But this is a pair of corresponding angles. Therefore by corresponding angle test, line L is parallel to line M. Now in next video we are solving the practice set 2.2. Thank you.